Hi, I'm Dan Charlick. I'm an orthopedic foot and ankle specialist at OrthoUnited. Grew up in Cleveland Heights, Ohio, and have been serving the area now for 17 years after coming back from training. I went to Columbia University for undergraduate and then Georgetown Medical School. Then I went to the University of Kentucky for my orthopedic residency and training. And then I was in the Air Force for 4 years as an orthopedic surgeon. After that, I did a fellowship in foot and ankle surgery in Dallas, Texas at Baylor Medical Center, and then we came here. As an orthopedic foot and ankle specialist, I see children all the way up to elderly patients. I get to treat issues having to do with growing kids, sports, folks with arthritis, sometimes diabetes and problems related to that, everything all the way up to total ankle replacements or ankle fusions, and gives me a chance to really get to know entire families from the kids all the way to the parents and grandparents, which is really great. Growing up in northeastern Ohio and training all over the United States, I really enjoyed the opportunity to come back to become part of OrthoUnited, and it really gives me a chance to give back to the area where I grew up, where my family, many of them still live. Gives me the chance to raise my kids in a place that feels comfortable. I've really enjoyed being in the area and taking advantage of all the many things that Canton, Ohio and the surrounding cities have to offer. We know that you have a choice of orthopedic providers in the area. At OrthoUnited, we have over 30 orthopedic surgeons, many of whom have specialties in their areas of practice. It gives us the opportunity to provide the highest level of technology and knowledge to apply to whatever problem that you might be having. We also benefit from being a local and private group. That gives us a chance to get to know our patients, to live in the same city, and to get to see our patients out and about. And we have the chance to get to know them personally. Being independent, we can make the decision for where your care needs to happen. That could be at one of our local campuses, one of our surgery centers, or the hospital that we think is the best for your care. I also have the opportunity to see patients in Alliance and in Dover, Ohio. So we have the offices that might be closer to your location. You don't have to drive as far, and that gives us the chance to also get deeper into those areas and get to know people there. Things are always changing in orthopedic surgery. That means that I, as a doctor, have to continue learning throughout my career. It's exciting to learn the best new ways to do procedures. For example, with new technology, some of the post-operative restrictions we used to have when I was training have been shortened. I'm able to allow patients to bear weight earlier, to get into a walking boot earlier, which gives the opportunity to have less disability after surgery and get back to normal life as quickly as possible. As orthopedic surgeons, we really try to help people manage pain and the limitations that might cause in their lives. That includes many non-surgical techniques for helping the common problems that we see. That could range from physical therapy, bracing in my specialty of foot and ankle surgery, sometimes injections, medications, home exercises. There are times when non-surgical care isn't effective enough and surgery is a consideration. Whenever that's the case, we try to talk about all the advantages, the potential risks, the post-operative course, to lay things out the best that we possibly can so that patients know what to expect. I think that the fear that can be there around surgery is normal, and that the best way to handle that is by having frank and honest conversations about those risks and about the possible outcomes. One of the exciting advancements in foot and ankle orthopedic surgery is the continued improvement of total ankle replacement. A total ankle replacement is a surgery that involves placement of several metal and plastic parts to allow the ankle to still move. One of the great advancements that's happened more recently is a personalization of that procedure, which uses a CT scan to allow 3D printing of special cutting blocks that personalize the patient's surgery. Certain surgeries can be done in an outpatient surgery center. That gives us the advantage of being able to control almost every variable that we encounter there. Who's going to be calling the patient ahead of time? When do they have to stop eating and drinking? What time are they going to get to the surgery center? Exactly what kind of implants we're going to be using, and what techniques are available to us. It's a really great experience for both the patient, the family, and the surgeon, me, to be able to operate in that environment, because It's all about orthopedic surgery there. There's no sick patients. We're all in tune with what an orthopedic surgery patient will need. Patients are getting up, going home as soon as they're ready. There's no delay in sitting or waiting for another service to come by to clear you to go home. We can plan and execute the surgeries as efficiently as possible, and you may be home sitting on your couch or in your bed just within a few hours of having had your surgery done. If you come and see me over at the Omni campus of OrthoUnited, you'll see a wall full of pictures. Those are patients who have come and had difficult problems that have stopped them from being able to do the things that they love. Sometimes they're high school kids who've had sporting injuries, or older folks who love to do an activity and they couldn't do it anymore. The thing that's really great is that all of those pictures are patients that we were able to make better, and they came back and they gave us pictures and wrote a little message on there about how they were doing. Every day I get to walk past those pictures and I really get to see and be reminded of what we're doing here at OrthoUnited. We have a chance to make a real difference in people's lives.